Hey guys, hope you are doing well. After this amazing weekend, we are having a small correction, some consolidation, corrective movement today. Most of the coins are down, but nothing serious. So, my name is Mike Dankler from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technicalities, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. Everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research. So guys, let's go. And this is some friends from Crypto Minds, and CorionX made an educational lectures to them. But let's smash those like, push the bell, notification all, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is important for the YouTube algorithm, and with subscription you will not miss any of our videos. So guys, let's make this smaller and let's go check our favorite bubble chart. You see that Bitcoin is down 1.4% and Ethereum is just slightly down 0.5%. Ethereum is holding pretty strong, and so most of the altcoins are in red. Just Celo, Moonriver or Moonbeam, and Mina Protocol, Audio, and Near is just in plus, but especially Mina and Celo doing great. But Waves consolidating, so Waves did a huge run in the past months and now consolidating and going just to lower territory. So these, we already talked about that. Rather, it's better to stay away from waves, because after this huge run up, a big correction could come. So let's go and check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It is at 52, so we are still in the neutral zone, and I guess that this is quite good, because after 3 months of being in the fear zone, the sentiment is getting better, so investors feel more comfortable, and the sentiment showing that they are neutral, so not so worrying and fearful as previously, but started to enter and coming back to the market. So let's plug in this and let's go forward. Cool. Our first news is top trader says Bitcoin set to rally and outperform stock market. Here is his timeline. So Bitcoin set to rally and outperform. Kaleo is saying this with almost 500,000 Twitter follower, and also he's comparing to BTC S&P and S&P BTC charts. An interesting pair to watch is Bitcoin versus S&P 500. The chart is 10 times cleaner than BTC USD, shows clear support at the base ranges above 2017 high support, and much stronger macro structure, no false breakout, all-time high in October-November. So this is the market structure in the bear market in 2019, and also the all-time high support that we almost reached during last summer in that dip, and also now bounced here. And this is a quite similar structure that we have seen here. And after this consolidation, the trend changed, and then a huge rally started. So great to see this chart from this perspective. Also fun watching the price action divergence in S&P 500 and BTC today. Bitcoin has basically traded as an S&P proxy in recent memory, so any outperformance is always entertaining. So okay, good for now that BTC is increasing compared to S&P, and this is the outperform. I think this is a 1 hourly chart, or what else, or 1 minute charts. 1 minute charts are some outperforming with a divergence. So this is the quite interesting. Bitcoin US dollar, I think this is the Bitcoin US dollar, and this is S&P 500. Okay, zooming out, trader sees BTC SPX breaking out higher. It looks pretty evident this range will break higher, this formation. What if Arthur is right? So Arthur Hayes is talking about Ethereum. BitMEX founder Arthur Hayes' recent prediction that Ethereum would be trading north of 10,000 US dollars by a year end. So what if he is right? So similar market structure than in 2017 summer, and then a huge run up, and also compared to S&P 500, so not in US dollar terms but compared to S&P 500, and that would give us at, let's see, almost 2 or 2.5, but maybe 3 times increase compared to S&P. So guys, I like these charts. Crazy that you are comparing Bitcoin and Ethereum to a stock index. Next piece of news is 19 million Bitcoin have been mined into circulation, 2 million left to be found. So we already talked about this is great news, as this 19 million Bitcoin was mined during the last almost 13 years. So am I right? Yes, 13 years. And that we have left, the 2 million will be mined in the next 140 years. So that's insane, and this is causing the scarcity that we are having 2 million Bitcoin left, and will be mined almost 10 times that we mined the most part of it. So this is huge, and this is causing Bitcoin scarcity. Next piece of news is, here is what will ignite a Bitcoin eruption to 58,000 US according to top crypto strategist. He is pseudonymous trader chats. You have got 46,000, you have got the higher low structure. Now you have got this ascending triangle. This is the most logical way to look at it as a bull, and the ascending triangle is normally a bullish continuation pattern. The measured move would be height of the triangle gets us to around 58,000 US dollar. So he sees that what we broke here is not just a horizontal resistance, but also ascending triangle, and this ascending triangle giving us a huge 58,000 US dollar price target. Below 45,000 we are in serious trouble. That's the bottom line from everything I know and I have studied. So I talked about that. You want to hold the throwback. It's initially failed, hasn't completely failed yet, but there is some signs of weakness. As long as BTC managed to keep about 45,000 US dollar, chats says Bitcoin is one resistance away from igniting 26% rally from current prices. We have got to stay about 45,000 US dollar. We have a good shoot, because all you have to do really is clear the 200-day moving average. You clear the 200-day moving average, I feel like 58,000 is going to be 80 to 90%. That's the measured move from the triangle, the last major cluster after the breakdown. Cool. So guys, let's go and check our next news. Ethereum price to hit 5 digits by end of the year. Here is why. So we already talked about that. So nice bullish formation that Ethereum broke 3,000 US dollar and now traded around the 200-day simple moving average, which is sitting at 3,490 US dollar. And also there is a symmetrical triangle. This advance might hit the 4,000 psychological barrier in a strongly optimistic scenario, bringing overall run up to 25%. And BitMEX CEO Arthur Hayes says that 5 ducking digits. Okay, cool. Let's go and check our next news also about Ethereum. Arthur Hayes gives his end-of-year prediction for Ethereum price. Here is the prediction. ETH is a commodity used to power the computer, not a pure monetary instrument. The broker quoted me a mid-market premium of 6.9%. That means no hedge my local currency Ethereum bond. I actually receive income. So also there is some bonds issued in Ethereum and providing yields in US dollar terms. So a boring stock buying ETH will naturally be branded as a metaverse and DeFi company, which can help hype up the stock price. Issuing ETH bonds, meanwhile, is a positive carrying trade to the company. Okay, so they are talking about that Michael Saylor just also need issue Ethereum bonds, not just Bitcoin bonds. So he recommends to Michael Saylor issue Ethereum bonds. Ethereum has approximately 3,000 developers, which is 3 times larger than the chain with the second largest cohort of devs, Polkadot, which has the second largest cohort of devs. And this is quite important. So the layer 1 solution, the price developer ratio shows that Ethereum has the lowest score among all other competitors. Also, this is a quite interesting approach how Ethereum price will broke up to 5 figures. ETH price analyzes Ethereum at key resistance. What's the next target on breakout? So on the daily chart, 3,500, the daily 200-day moving average, and also the Fibonacci retracement level at 0.618, and the next resistance zone is at 3,900 and 4,000 US dollar. Otherwise, the next support zone is at 3,000 and 3,200. So major levels, these are moving averages that you see here. Now we are almost around all of them. The 4-hourly chart, the MACD and the ROC 14 indicators may cause short-term price correction, but overall that looks pretty bullish, but this is a kind of divergence on MACD and the price, so that can lead to some corrections. On-chain analysis says active sending addresses, Ethereum active receiving addresses, SMA 14. Let's make this bigger, and yes, so smaller a little bit. Okay, so guys, I cannot. Okay, so this is, what's this? This is the price, as we know, or not. What's this? This is the Ethereum price, or no? Okay, receiving addresses. Okay, so the receiving addresses started to increase, just like the Ethereum price started to recover. And okay, so this is the receiving addresses. So you see there was a kind of divergence because the receiving addresses started to decline, but the price started to go up, and then the addresses also started to go up, and then we can expect nice price continuation. Okay, the metric has led to an increase in the ETH price. On the other hand, active sending addresses is dropping, but this decline is still not significant, and we have to wait to see. Active sending addresses is dropping now. So that was the receiving addresses and sending addresses. So not too many addresses are sending Ethereum. What does that mean? They are not selling. Quite interesting on-chain approach. Next piece of news is Bitcoin versus Ethereum. Can the planet's largest decentralized network surpass Bitcoin? What is the planet's largest decentralized network? Is Ethereum, the blockchain of smart contracts. And now with the bullish narratives emerging for Ethereum, many are pondering whether Ethereum could flip Bitcoin in market cap and take the #1 spot. Okay, so this is from Sentiment. Ethereum price against Bitcoin has nearly hit a 8-week high. Largest addresses remain near 1-year high levels. So the price largest Ethereum Bitcoin ratio since February 4th, and Ethereum stopped 10 whales addresses hold almost 23.7% of all Ethereum. Okay guys, let's make this smaller. So how to make this smaller? Yeah, okay. So hodl on. Hodlers to kept their share without planning to sell. 1.2 million Ethereum exited exchanges over the past 2 weeks. The Ethereum exchange reserve dropped from 24.7 million ETH to 23.5 million. So from 24.7 to 23.5 million just 1 week. So 1 week, that's decrease of 5%. So 5% decrease Ethereum hold on exchanges just in a week. Also, as Arthur Hayes predicted, $10,000 Ethereum price. So guys, let's go and check our next news. That European inflation skyrockets to record 7.5%. So guys, insane, 7.5. Almost the same like the US inflation. ECB Chief Lagarde expect energy prices to stay higher for longer. So energy prices, guys, don't consume any energy. This is insane. Eurozone inflation continues to climb. ECB predicts to raise its rates 3 times this year. Okay, so previously they thought that they don't want to raise interest rates, and now energy prices are up 45%. So this is the Russia-Ukraine war and sanctions, and that this is, but energy prices also will trigger other products prices because then it's highly affected, and all products depending on energy. Energy prices are expected to stay higher for longer. Global manufacturing bottlenecks are likely to persist in certain sectors, and households are becoming more pessimistic and could cut back on spending. So this is what will happen. Every time you turn off your hot shower water, say, take that, Putin. Okay, so funny. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Let's go and check my Twitter feed, and let's see what's happening on Twitter. You should definitely sign up on Twitter because crypto is just on Twitter. So definitely follow me at MIKLOS Also follow at Corion platform, and follow Laserpunk Gats, our launchpad project. So where is the Laserpunk? Yes, Laserpunk_Gats. So guys, bounces on BTC and Ethereum printing a higher low in coming hours, and the correction is finished. Identifying trends: higher highs, higher lows equals bullish trend. Now marking the higher low. Cool. Smash those like and also share this. Wow, Bitcoin's weekly MACD just confirmed a bullish crossover. What's next? Correction, small rally, or a huge run up? So this is from Bitcoin Archive. Definitely check that out. And you see this MACD crossover. And the last time we had this MACD crossover, a huge run up happened, especially in 2020 April. So just let's repeat 2020 April in 2022. Massive Bitcoin outflow from exchanges. Once demand rises, supply shock will be imminent. So this is from Glassnode, and you see this huge BTC outflow, almost 96,000 Bitcoin outflow per month. Last shakeout in Bitcoin, or what else? This is from TechDev, and as you see, below neutral, above neutral, and now we are above neutral. So maybe a final shakeout, but and then a similar structure is unfolding on the chart, and RSI is above 50. So that's a good sign that it will not break down, but breaking up. Cool. Yes, so also share all Laserpunk related news, because you are helping our NFT Launchpad project, and also follow and share all CorionX related news. So guys, let's go and check out CorionX farms. If you are holding ERC20 version CorionX, you can go to Uniswap. If you are holding Binance Smart Chain version of CorionX, you can go to PancakeSwap, provide some liquidity and lock up your LPs and earn up to 330% APRs. This is a nice juicy APR, so definitely good to earn and supporting our decentralized exchanges. Guys, let's go and check out charts. So you see that this is the Bitcoin charts. So Bitcoin is marking higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and now it's finishing these higher lows, and then we should go to the next higher highs levels. And this is actually, if this is a kind of a triangle, then definitely look out for some nice consolidation and continuation pattern on this. So actually this could be a triangle. So this could be a triangle somehow. Yes. And if this is a ascending triangle, that this is a retest of the upper trend line of the triangle, and the huge breakout is imminent to, let's say, what else? Yes, so almost. Okay, so let's make this is, yes, so almost 58,000 US dollar. So this is huge. Bitcoin dominance is bouncing a little bit back, but actually it's going down in the downtrend. So that is why we can see more and more altcoins pumping. Ethereum shorts increased a little bit, but nothing serious. And what Ethereum is doing, so Ethereum is doing well and even looks more bullish than Bitcoin, and also consolidating about the 3,430 resistance, and also at this Fibonacci levels. So yes, so this trend line is supporting our upwards movement, and until it's not broken, I'm really bullish on Ethereum. Guys, that's it for today. Smash those likes, push the bell notification, or subscribe to the channel, and also join our Telegram group and follow us in all our social medias. Join our Telegrams, be active, and just don't forget to stake your CorionX, because if you are staking more than 700 US dollars in our LPs, then you will get higher chance to get Laserpunk NFTs from the first mintings. So this is definitely huge. Check out and just this is a kind of part of the whitelist. So guys, that's it for today. Smash those likes, push the bell notification, or see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a wonderful week.